off of an article from a website called Raspberry Pi Spy by a guy called Matt Hawkins. Here's a link to the original article, and that's what I've based this video off of. In this video, we're going to look at how to use Raspberry Pi and some Python code to send a text message via the internet. So we're going to send our text messages via the internet using an external service. So browse to www.textlocal.com and go to the sign up free, which will allow you to create an account. From here, what we can do is we can send a connection via their API, and we'll have to buy credit on their service. You get 5 or 6 for 5 to 10 I think for free when you sign up. So put in your email address and then click sign up for free. You'll then get an email which will have an activation URL that you have to click. So click that and you set up your account. Fill in all the details that it asks for there, your name, address and so on, and then click the activate my account once you've completed all of that. So you now go to what they call their control panel and leave that where it is. Okay, so run the command wget and then type in that URL that's in the description, -o, and then send_smm.py. And if you run the command more on that file, you'll see we have our Python code there. Okay, so we can edit this code so that we're able to send a text message. So the next thing we have to do is get a unique key for our ability to talk to the TextLocals API. So if you go to the documents page on their website and then you look for the bit that says your API hash, and then you copy that out of that website, which is unique to your account, and then what we're going to do is we're going to swap out just the template one there for your actual API. So use the nano command to open up the Python script, delete the just that template there, and then paste in your actual API key. Okay, so the next thing it's going to ask you to do is to actually change the message that you want to send. So we're just going to change that. I'm going to change that to Raspberry Pi for beginners. It's then going to ask us to change the username, which is in this case is my email address. And then what it has there is the sender. So because it's coming from an online service, it's not actually going to come from a mobile phone. What it will actually come from is just a name, but you will not be able to actually reply to that. So I've just typed in M Manning, which is my name, and then there you just want to type the phone number that you want to send it to. I've just typed in any old rubbish there, so it could be anything. But obviously now you're going to want to put your actual phone number. The 44-bit is the UK's number code. So once you've entered in your phone number there, there's one more flag that you might want to be aware of. There's the test_flag. This allows you to, if you set it to 1, it will just run through the syntax and make sure it works. If you change it to 0, it would actually try and send the text message. So if you wanted to test a few things, you want to put some debugging lines in there yourself, you can test that without having to actually send the text messages and waste your credit. So if you run Python send_SMS, you'll see that it's run through the Python script, everything appears to be okay, and it's pretended to send the file. If you then actually go through, find that test flag and change that to 0, and rerun that Python script, you'll actually see that text message will come through. So we send that now, and I look at my phone, and there we go. That's a screenshot from my phone, which actually shows that I've been sent a text message. Now what you might want to do is go in and edit the Python code, change this so that you can have whatever conditions you want them to actually send the text message, but there's the framework you need.